Hi, Product Manager from Salesforce Automation Team here. Let's take a look at how many ways you can access various deal insights within the Pipeline Inspection view. Within the list view, there are multiple ways for you to learn about your deals. There are easy to understand tiers of high, medium, and low opportunity scores, which state each deal's likelihood to close. And by simply clicking into it, we can see the top negative and positive factors that are influencing the score. We can also access each deal's recent activity and insights in the side panel. So up top, we can see important metrics about the deal, and below we can see different types of insights. So first, we see conversational insights from calls and emails, such as mentioning of a competitor we can see here. There are also insights about the deal's progress, generated by the opportunity score. And there are insights about service cases that could derail the opportunity. And these insights come up with suggested actions, such as adding this slow-moving deal to a cadence to help nurture the customer relationship and progress the deal forward. Now, switching tabs into activities, we can see all the upcoming and recent activities in this deal. Within this tab, I can also see an indication to see all the contacts and users involved in the deal. Opening this up, we can see who has associated activities to this opportunity. And these activities are aggregated by activity type. And we can even assign contact roles and team members within this interface.